We are going to see about isotopes. Isotopes are atoms that have the same number of protons, that is the same atomic number, but it has different number of neutrons. The example for isotopes is we can take chlorine. Chlorine is an element that has two different mass number, but it has same atomic number. For example, chlorine with atomic number 17 and mass number 35. The another element in chlorine is chlorine has the atomic number 17 and mass number 37. Here 17 is known as the number of proton, that is nothing but atomic number. Atomic number and number of protons are same. The above number 35 in chlorine is mass number, that is denoted by the symbol A. The another element of chlorine has 17 as atomic number and 37 as mass number. Here both the elements are chlorine, but it has same atomic number, but it has different mass number. Here the number of neutrons can be calculated as. Here, how we can calculate the number of neurons. The bottom of the element chlorine has the same atomic number in both the elements, that is 17, you know. In the top of the chlorine element that has two different mass number, that is 35 and another one is 37. Here the atomic number for the both elements are same. How can we calculate the number of neurons? The formula for number of neurons, how to calculate, that is number of neurons that is equal to mass number, that is denoted by the symbol A, subtract atomic number Z. That is we have to subtract the atomic number from mass number, that gives the number of neurons. Now we get the number of neutrons by substituting the mass number and atomic number. How we can get? In the first element the atomic number is 17 and the mass number is 35. We have to substitute that number in the formula. For the first one the mass number is 35 and the atomic number is 17. So we have to subtract 35 minus 17. We get 18 as number of neurons. The another element, the atomic number is 17 and the mass number is 37. You have to substitute that value in the formula by 37 minus 17. That we get the answer as 20. That is the number of neurons. So we get the number of protons and number of neutrons. The addition of these two gives the mass number. Understood? Now we are going to see the another example for isotopes. Here carbon, 3 elements of carbon that has same atomic number but different mass number. You can see here in the first element it has atomic number 6 and the mass number 12, and the another element of carbon has the atomic number 6 and mass number 13, and the another element of carbon has atomic number of 6 and mass number 14. Can you calculate the number of neutrons? As I told you the formula, how can you calculate the neutrons? The atomic number is nothing but number of protons. So the number of protons here is 6. Okay. Now how can you calculate the number of neutrons? You have to subtract this atomic number from mass number. So we have to subtract 12 minus 6. We can get 6 neutrons in the first element. As in the second element, we have 6 as the atomic number and 13 as the mass number. So, how can we calculate the number of neutrons? We have to subtract 13 minus 6. So, we can get 7 neutrons. In the another type of carbon, here we have the mass number of 14 and atomic number 6. So, we have to subtract 14 minus 6. We can get 8 neutrons. Understood? We can see another example for isotopes as neon. Neon is specified by the symbol Ne. The bottom number denotes the atomic number. The top number denotes the mass number. It has 3 elements that are neon has atomic number of 10 and atomic mass number of 20. Another element has the atomic number of 10 and mass number 21. Another one has atomic number of 10 and mass number 22. Can you calculate the number of neurons? Take your notebook and calculate and check your answers with this given answer. Can you? Now we are going to see about isobars. Isobars are atoms of different chemical elements that have different atomic number, but it has the same mass number. That is, same number of total nucleons. That is, in isotopes, we already seen that it has same atomic number. But here isobars have same mass number. That point should be noted. The examples for isobars are sodium and magnesium. Can you notify? The mass number of both the elements are same, that is 24. The atomic number is sodium has 11 and magnesium has 12. Both are different, but the mass number is same. Can you notify that? Students, as I already told you that the bottom number is denoted by atomic number, that is nothing but proton. The top number is 24, that is mass number. Mass number gives you the total number of protons and neutrons, as you know. How can you calculate the number of neutrons? We have to subtract the atomic number from mass number. You can get the number of neutrons. Here the mass number is 24 and the atomic number is 11. So we get the number of neuron is 13. In the magnesium, the mass number is 24 and the atomic number is 12. So we get the number of neurons as 12. Here you can see the mass number for both the atoms, that is sodium and magnesium, are same. So these are called isobars. But it has different number of protons and different number of neutrons. But the mass number is same. That we have some more examples for isobars. First one is argon, potassium, calcium, sulfur and chlorine. Can you notice what is the same here? The top number, that is mass number, is same for all the elements. That is, all are having the mass number as 40. But it has different atomic numbers for different elements. If different elements has same mass number but different atomic number is known as isobars. The first one, argon, it has the atomic number of 18 and the mass number of 40. Another element, the atomic number for potassium is 19 and mass number is 40. The another element, calcium, the denoted by the symbol Ca. Atomic number is 20 and mass number 40. Another element is sulfur. The atomic number is 60 and mass number is 40. One more element, that is chlorine. The atomic number is 17 and the mass number is 40. All the elements have the same mass number. So, this element is called as isobars. From this, can you calculate the number of neurons for all these elements? Take the first one as example, organ. Here, the atomic number is 18 and the mass number is 40. How can you calculate the number of neurons? You have to subtract 18 from 40. That is 40 minus 18. You can get the number of neurons. Like this, you have to get the number of neurons for coming elements also. Number of neutrons for argon is 22. Like that, we have to calculate the number of neurons for another elements also. Can you check that number of neurons? Take your notebook and calculate the number of neurons and check your answer with this. Now we are going to see about isotones. What are isotones? Isotones are atoms that have the same number of neutron but different number of proton in the nucleus. In the first one, can you remember? Isotopes have same atomic number, isobars have same mass number, but here isotones have the same number of neutrons. Here some examples for isotones. First element is argon that has the atomic number of 18 and mass number 38. Next one is potassium, another one is calcium and sulfur and chlorine. From this, we can calculate the number of neurons as I told you. Did you calculate? Can you get the same number as here? The first element, argon, has the number of neutrons is 20. And the second element, potassium, has the number of neutron as 20. And the third element, calcium, that has the number of neutrons as 20. And the fourth element, sulfur, has the number of neutron as 20. And the fifth element, chlorine, has the number of neutron as 20. From this, you can guess all the elements have the same neutrons. That is, all these are denoted as isotones.